So it is raining. We have a tornado warning. Look at that, it's so pretty. Like, look at that. See it going? It's like it's making waves. It's really cold. I love it when it rains. It's so pretty. I even love the thunder and the lightning. I mean, look at the sky. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, look. Look at that. It's so pretty. You can clearly see everything. What do you get people to do? Right now, as you see, I'm at work. Taking lists. Come visit me. That dude. The person didn't even stop. He just stopped. Look at the rain. Watch the wave. See it? That's didn't even stop. Just this person stops. Well, it does. It's actually magical to actually. It's not magical at all. Look at this litter. I really hate litter. I'll be pushing over. But it's just so pretty. I mean, can you catch the rain? Look at that. That is my coworker over there. Look at that. She's being weird. She's blonde. She has those blonde moments. But look, you can clearly see the rain. And this is so pretty. Look at the waves over there. It's so windy, but it's so pretty. Look at that. That is ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Oh god, I'm getting water on my... Isn't it just so pretty? My lens is getting wet, so... kind of, yeah. Just like that. That is ridiculous. Now it's floating the opposite way that I think. You're not supposed to drive through an alley. Look at the guy. So happy to be walking away. I think he needs an umbrella. Would you like an umbrella? Well, we have one if you want it. Alright, you're welcome. I like helping people. Look at that. Look at that. That is ridiculous. There should not be water right there. Look at the rain. So pretty. Look at the cars. That lady's walking barefoot. Running barefoot. Right there. This is a car. Hello, car. Yes, you are being recorded. Me. But the sky is just so pretty. Like, that is such a pretty picture right there without the car. That is a pretty picture because there's the palm trees and the sky colors. Look how rainy it is. It's so windy. I mean, I love it. Beautiful. Look. Balcony's still open. Where's still open? Look at her. I'm just dumping up here right now. Like, look at that. That is getting so pretty. Watch that. Watch that. Watch it come from that direction. It's just so nice. That is so pretty. It's so freaking pretty. It's so freaking cold now. You ain't supposed to be speeding. Oh my goodness. It's so much fun. I should probably get inside. So am I. We have one umbrella. We have one. But it's just... yeah. Look at my glasses. They have water dots on them. Because, yeah. Because why not have water dots on them? I can't see a thing without my glasses. I am blind. Look at that guy. He's still walking and he has no umbrella. And I offered him an umbrella. This umbrella stopped. Barely. It's not even on the wheel. Look at that. That's a dog. Oh. Would you all like an umbrella? Or not? Would you like an umbrella? I'm gonna give them an umbrella. Care? Oh, we have one. Let's see, where's the umbrella? Oh no, what happened to the umbrella that was right there? Oh. You have an umbrella right here. You can go ahead and sit there. You're welcome.
We just got kicked out of the cop over in front of a place that was like for lease. So.
Oh.
Yeah. I figured instead of trying to sit there and argue.
Are y'all visiting?
Huh?
Are y'all visiting?
Yeah, we're just kind of passing through.
Sort of. I'm waiting for friends. We're waiting for friends who are going to show up here and come roll with us. And
Alright.
they're not. They're in Florida and other places.
Hi, puppy.
What?
Look at this puppy.
Come here.
Aw.
Come here.
Can I have my jacket?
Yeah, here. Can I have your poncho?
Look at the puppy.
Yeah, it can.
I'm
That's so
sorry.
cute. Oh, he's fine. He's sitting.
Thank you so much. You're
Actually,
not gonna need it, are you?
no.
Ah!
I'm actually recording this, so
Yeah.
yeah. I'm gonna put it on YouTube, so it's okay.
This is pretty wild to watch.
Yeah, I love it.
I'm back in Phoenix during my season.
I feel like I'm back in Washington.
No, good.
Yeah, this is all that happens this time of year.
Seriously?
Yeah, till about July from July, yeah. From July to about, I want to say September, this is all it is.
Okay. It's beautiful weather though.
Look, this is Donatello.
Oh,
He's our snapper.
he's cute.
He's a snapper and a part-time rapper. Living like a turtle. I'm in your toll. You gotta pay that toll to hang out with the turtle. Funny. He's from the bridge. He's living on the edge in a shell, living the life. Came out of hell. He's escaped from the pond. He's got it going on, and he's really picky about what he eats.
It's an awesome beat.
Yeah, he's a snapper rapper. Snappersaurus, how are you? I let myself get bit by him once. There was a scar. I let him bite one of these fingers, I remember. These guys are... There's a bunch of them. We were having fun just getting drunk and trying to find them. Catch each other. We almost thought about eating him, but I like him. I want to hang out with him.
Hello.
Is there a pizza joint here in the corner?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, there.
So I decided to finish my video because why not finish a video? Okay, I got ice from next door to bring over here because my friend, a coworker, she was afraid to go get ice because of the rain. So I did that. Look at me, I have flour all over. I'm a mess because I made dough. You want some of the dough I made? 7 trays of dough. 6 balls. So, yeah, did that and figured why not vlog. I haven't vlogged in a while, so why not? I hope y'all's day is going fabulous. I'm tired. Really, really tired. I was up at 4 o'clock yesterday morning. Didn't go to bed until 1 o'clock in the morning. It was today. So it was like I'm tired because I had to get up and do the Susan B. Common walk. Then I had to work. I got off at 4:30 though, so I got off earlier than I normally do. I get up at 6 normally. And then I had to go to prom. I didn't show up until 8 because my mom was like, nobody arrives to prom on time. I'm like, I want to be the person who does show up on time. And I didn't leave until 10:45. But then I had to go home and get all that. So, yeah. That was fun. And now I'm at work and it's raining. I love the rain though, so it's okay. But yeah, I'm tired. I need coffee. I really need coffee. Stomach's hurting because, you know, Mother Nature. So now I'm going to have to make some buffalo chicken pizza. Shh, that was not on video. Shh. Okay, yeah. I hope you guys are enjoying your day, and I will talk to you guys later. I love you. Bye. And I'm always sending you guys hugs, kisses, and all of the best wishes.